Hi, my name is Craig Sewing, the creator and founder of The American Dream, a national TV show centered around real estate, lifestyle, and culture. It's been nominated for an Emmy. We bring you a show of real stories in real neighborhoods with real experts. Today, I'm excited to announce our elite expert and new host in your market. They are the master of their craft and have built their life around turning that dream for so many of us into a reality. Follow along as they take us on a tour of the real estate, the lifestyle, and the culture that they know best and show us why this city is the perfect place for you to build your American dream.
Hi, and welcome to the American Dream TV Network. We're your hosts. I'm Jesse Valadares, and this is my partner, Melanie Calmer. And today, we want to introduce you to the beauty of Long Island, starting with Waterdrinkers right here, right behind me in the North Fork of Long Island. And from here, we're going to head to a beautiful timeless Tudor with its own private dock from the 1800s. But first, let's start with the Tulip Festival. Come on, join us. Let's take a look.
Let's go. Hi, American Dream Team people. So guess what? We are here with Megan Cox, and she is one of the managers here at Waterdrinker. So can you tell us a little bit about your daily responsibilities here?
Yeah, so I help run the farm at our North Fork location. We also have our Mayorville location as well. So I really help with a lot of the day-to-day, guest relations, placing like plant orders or different product orders in the gift barn, and really just welcoming our guests.
That's amazing. So what's your favorite festival? I notice you guys have quite a few.
Yes, I think my favorite festival is Tulip Fest. It goes throughout the spring. We've got millions of tulips planted in our fields, and the colors are just so vibrant. They're wonderful to check out.
Yeah, today it felt like we were in the Netherlands. It was so beautiful.
Yes, it's such a fun, unique spot. We're the only location on Long Island that does tulips. So it really is like a unique experience to come to Waterdrinker.
It's really special.
So you do stuff in the winter as well here?
Yes, so our Manorville location stays open through Christmas, and we do our Winter Wonderland. So Santa comes to visit, Frosty the Snowman, and people can come and purchase Christmas trees as well.
That's great. Thank you so much for all of your time and for helping us get around here. It was so beautiful. What a wonderful day.
Thank you guys so much for coming out.
Thank you.